iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max launch is likely 1 month away, leaks reveal 7 key changes. Apple is said to hold its latest iPhone 15 event next month in September. As per tradition, Apple will likely introduce 4 new models: the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Similar to the iPhone 14 Pro series, the iPhone 15 Pro lineup will boast some exclusive features that are not found in the more budget-friendly iPhone 15 variants. The new iPhone 15 Pro models are tipped to get notable upgrades. These include a shift to USB-C from the traditional Lightning port, a new periscope camera, Apple's new A17 chipset, and more. Here are 8 things that we know so far about the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro models, based on the leaks. iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max leaks, 7 key changes tipped. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are anticipated to maintain a design akin to their predecessors, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. These devices are expected to feature 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch OLED displays, accompanied by a distinct dynamic island cutout that accommodates both the camera and Face ID hardware components. It is rumored that the iPhone 15 Pro models will have very slim bezels in contrast to their iPhone 14 Pro counterparts. Remarkably, the displays are anticipated to maintain their flat form while boasting sleeker, curved edges. Apple is reportedly considering a modification to the current mute switch. This new feature, revealed in the latest iOS beta version, will empower users to handle various functions, such as silent mode control, flashlight activation, focus mode engagement, and even accessing the Translate app and magnifier within the iPhone's camera app. This customizable button promises to streamline user interactions and improve the overall usability of the iPhone 15 series. Anticipated across the entire iPhone 15 lineup, a notable alteration is on the horizon: the replacement of the familiar Lightning port with a USB-C port. This design adjustment is a response to regulatory obligations in Europe. The new change will reportedly be applied to global markets, including India. The Pro Max variant could feature a periscope lens, allowing for optical zoom of up to 5-6x. But this won't reportedly be available on the Pro model of 2023. In contrast, the iPhone 14 Pro Max presently provides a 3x optical zoom, a feature that is also projected to be maintained in the iPhone 15 Pro variant. Furthermore, these devices are poised to feature an enhanced rear camera LiDAR scanner sourced from Sony. This enhancement promises improved depth sensing capabilities. You can expect the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max to use Apple's next-generation A17 chipset under the hood, which is said to be the first A-series Apple chip on a 3nm process. Thank you.